message was really about dreaming, about not giving up on those dreams, and also working to make those dreams come true. I really love the support that you receive. We get supported by our administration, we're supported by our parents, our community, our peer teachers, and I just love that feel of community, feel of a family here at McAllen ISD.
Great pride for our district, being able to just inspire and hopefully uplift them, get them ready for the next school year. I mean, the event was great, pumped me up, and I hope it pumped everybody up. And I just can't wait to get this year started. My message today is to get teachers ready, you know, and if I stumble, they're going to be there to lift me up. We'll get it done, and we'll get the new school year going. 1, 2, 1.